Unit 21 Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises JAIIB Principles and Practices of Banking Module B
Page 71
Finance to Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises MSMES. With enactment of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006, the concept of micro and small enterprises has replaced the concept of SSI, tiny, SSSBE or ancillary. Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises MSME sector. Government of India enacted the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development MSMED Act 2006 on June 16, 2006 and notified on October 2, 2006. Consistent with the notification of the MSMED Act 2006, the definition of micro, small and medium enterprises engaged in manufacturing or production and providing or rendering of services has been modified by RBI. Definition of micro, small and medium enterprises. A. Enterprises engaged in the manufacture or production, processing or preservation of goods as specified below. 1. A micro enterprise is an enterprise where investment in plant and machinery, original cost excluding land and building and the items specified by the Ministry of Small Scale Industries, does not exceed Rs 25 lakhs. 2. A small enterprise is an enterprise where the investment in plant and machinery, original cost excluding land and the building, and the items specified by the Ministry of Small Scale Industries is more than Rs 25 lakh but does not exceed Rs 5 crore. And 3. A medium enterprise is an enterprise where the investment in plant and machinery, original cost excluding land and building and the items specified by the Ministry of Small Scale Industries is more than Rs 5 crore but does not exceed Rs 10 crore. B. Enterprises engaged in providing or rendering of services and whose investment in equipment, original cost excluding land and building and furniture, fittings and other items not directly related to the service rendered or as may be notified under MSMED Act 2006 are specified below. These will include A. Small road and water transport operators, B. Small business and C. Professional and self-employed persons. 1. A micro enterprise is an enterprise where the investment in equipment does not exceed Rs 10 lakh. 2. A small enterprise is an enterprise where the investment in equipment is more than Rs 10 lakh but does not exceed Rs 2 crore. And 3. A medium enterprise is an enterprise where the investment in equipment is more than Rs 2 crore but does not exceed Rs 5 crore. Lending to medium enterprises and priority sector. Such lending will not be included for the purpose of reckoning under the priority sector. Registration. For a micro enterprise or small enterprise or a medium enterprise engaged in providing or rendering of services, registration is optional. But for the medium enterprise engaged in manufacture or production of goods, registration is compulsory with such authority as specified by the state government or central government. Delayed payments to MSEs. The existing provision of the Interest on Delayed Payment Act 1998 to small scale and ancillary industrial undertakings have been strengthened under the MSMED Act as under 1. The buyer to make payment on or before the date agreed on between him and the supplier in writing or in case of no agreement before the appointed day. The agreement between seller and buyer shall not exceed more than 45 days. 2. If the buyer fails to make payment of the amount to the supplier, he shall be liable to pay compounded interest with monthly rest to the supplier on the amount from appointed day or on the date agreed on at 3 times of the bank rate notified by Reserve Bank.
Page 72.
High Level Task Force on MSMEs, June 2010. In terms of the recommendations of the Prime Minister's Task Force on Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSMEs, Chairman Shri T.K.A. Nair, constituted by the Government of India, RBI advised banks as under 1. Achieve a 20% year-on-year growth in credit to micro and small enterprises to ensure enhanced credit flow. 2. Achieve a 10% annual growth in number of micro enterprise accounts. Micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs. Loans eligible for priority sector classification. 1. Bank loans to micro, small and medium enterprises in manufacturing and production. 2. Bank loans up to Rs 5 crore per unit to micro and small enterprises and Rs 10 crore to medium enterprises engaged in providing or rendering of services. 3. Loans to units in Khadi and village industries sector which will be eligible for classification under sub-target of 7%, 7.5% prescribed for micro enterprises. Other finance to MSMEs. 1. Loans to entities involved in assisting decentralized sector in the supply of inputs to and marketing of outputs of artisans, village and cottage industries. 2. Loans to cooperatives of producers in the decentralized sector like artisans, village and cottage industries. 3. Loans to MFIs for on-lending to MSME sector fulfilling specified conditions. 4. Credit outstanding under general credit cards including artisan credit card, Lagu Udyami card, Swarojgar credit card and Weavers card, etc. Catering to the non-farm entrepreneurial credit needs of individuals. 5. Outstanding deposits with SIDBI on account of priority sector shortfall. The earlier subcategorization within micro enterprises has been dispensed with.